Buyer number 3. Hey, lot number 8 is going to be that boost. Or lot number 6. Lot number 6 will be that boost gas engine right there. It's a boost piston mitt. Got the nice cart. Got a very nice unit here. It can be $25,000 to start that one. $25,000 on the boost engine. Lot number 6. $25,000 even. 25. Want to go there now? 25. Want to go there now? 25. Want to get 20. Not go there now? 20,000. Let's go. Want to go there now? 20 on that. Not go there now? 20,000. Better buyers. Better buy now. 20. Go there now? 20. Go there now? 20. Want to get 17.5. 17.5. 17.5. 17.5. We're at 15,100 online. I'm going to get 16 now. 17,000. 17 now. 18,000 even. Want to go there now? 18. 17 now. 19,000. Want to go there now? 19. Yes. Now 20,000 even. Want to go there now? 20. Let's go there now. 20 on that. 19,000 better than. Want to get 20. Let's go. Want to go there now? 20. Let's go there now. 20,000 even. Right here. Money on the floor. 19 go 20. 19 go there now. 20. Let's go there now. $20,000. There's a rare one. We've got 19,000 better than. I'm going to give 19.5. You're trying hard, sir. 19.5. Yes, now 20. 20,000 even. 19.5. Yes, now 20,500. The money's online at 25. Now 21,000. The money's on the floor. 20,500. Want to get 21. 21,000. Want to get 21. 20,500. Want to get 21,000. The money's on the floor. 25,000. Want to get 21. 21,000 even. 20,500. Want to get 21. 21,000. We have the money on the floor at 20,500. We're talking 21,000. 21,000 on the good engine. 21,000. 21,000. 21,000. 20,500. I'm going to get 21,000. And we're going to sell it. $20,500. Buyer number 3. He bought 2 in a row. 20,500. Buyer number 3. That was lot number 6. Now we're on lot number 7. Lot number 7. Oh, Tom, that's the one I need to help with the name. Ebony, Ebony. They say are 2 different ways. Hey, this is going to be lot number 7. There's that nice Ebony engine. It's a 5-horse hit and miss. 5-horse system miss. Hey, there's a rare one. They were turning on that, trying to get her fire up. She didn't quite want to take hold. Hey, give me 20,000 on this one. You got a spare muffler, going to go right along with. It's on a nice cart. They got her set up nice. Give me 15,000 stardom. 15. Yes, now 16,000. The money's on the floor. I'm going to get 16,000 even. 15. Going to go there now. 16. Up there now. 16,000. The money's in. You have to better buy. I'm going to go there now. 16,000. I'm going to go there now. 15. Going to go there now. 16. Up there now. 16,000. I'm going to go there now. 17. 17. Yes, now 18,000. Money on the floor. I'm going to go there now. 18,000. 17. Going to go there now. 18 here. Up there now. 18,000. Come to the buyer. I'm going to go there now. 18. 17. I'm going to go there now. 18. Up there now. 18. Going to go there now. 18 on that. 17.5. Now 18. 18,000. Now 18.5. 18.5. I'm going to go there now. 5. 18,500. Better buyer. 18. Going to go there now. 5. That's good there now. 5. Got a buyer. 18. Going to go there now. 5. 18,000. Money right there now. 5. 18.5. Come to buyer. 18.5. 18,500. Yes or no? 18. Go there now. 5. 18,500 on a good rig. Yes. Now 19,000 even. 19. Yes. Now 5. 19.5. 19. Going to go there now. 5. That's good there now. 5. Do that. 19,500. Money's in at 19.5. 19. Going to go there now. 5. 19,500. I look at 19.5. 19. Going to go there now. 5. 19,500. Yes or no? 19.5. I'm going to go there now. 5. 19,500. 19,500. 19.5. 19.5. 19.5. Sell it. $19,000. Buyer number 3. Buyer number 3.